New users of EzCoin, especially those who are coming from a Mac environment, ask us several basic questions on a regular basis, so I thought I would create a new video to show some things to get you started. So let's begin. I'll start by showing you what you will see upon installing the program. Let me close the Great Britain database first. So just go to File and Close. If you've just installed EzCoin, the first thing you will need to do is activate the program by entering the code you were supplied with. Just go to the Help menu and select EzCoin Activation and enter your code here. In this case, we've already activated this copy, so we'll just exit here. So when you start EzCoin, you'll see the following screen. Very few options are available until you open a file. Just go to the File menu and select Open, and then you would choose the database that you want. An alternative way is to go to File, Open with List, and you'll see a little bit more descriptive information on each of the files, and you just click Open. The very first time you open any file, you will be prompted to do a first-time initialization, which I'll do now. This prepares the file for data entry. This process is fairly quick, and depending on the size of the file, it can take a few seconds or a few more. Not very long at all. Once the file is opened, all the functions will be available for you to enter your coins. So let's do a basic entry of a 1942 5-cent piece. To do this, we select the denomination and type in the year, or we could have selected it from the drop down, and we just hit enter. At this point, you'll get a list that comes up with all the available coins for that criteria that you entered. If there was only one coin that was matched, it would have been immediately brought up in the main screen and you would not see this window here. So let's pick the very first one. Just as an aside, you can, when you click on any of these in the list, it will be brought up in the main screen so that you can get an idea of what's going on. But let's choose the very first one here, and then we can close this window by clicking this icon here, the blue arrow going down, or just close it this way. At this point, we're ready to inventory the coin. You select your grade, and then you click the blue check mark, or you click the $sign here. So if you had another coin, let's say you also had an MS63, you select that, and then you click the blue check mark. The blue check mark is what actually saves the record to your inventory, and that's indicated by this green check mark here. A handy feature in EzCoin is that it remembers your most recent lookup so you can continue with your entries. And the way you do that is you click this icon over here, and it immediately recalls the last search that you did, and you can see that we had the 5-cent 1942, and you could have picked your, the P mint mark and continued. But for now, I'll just close this. Now, if you want to go to a different coin, such as a 1992 quarter, you need to clear the screen by holding the Control key and clicking the eraser icon. That's this icon here. So I'm holding the Control key and click the eraser icon, and that will clear the screen. Also pay attention to this status bar down at the bottom, because as you hover over any icon in EzCoin, it'll tell you what it will do and how to do it. So I'll now clear the screen. So I've now cleared the screen and I'm ready to enter my my next coin. Another way is to use the drill down, which we were just in. So I'll show you both ways. So first we would choose 25 cents and then type in 1992, and we would hit enter and it would bring up our information. But the other way is to use the drill down that we had, and again you type in, you select your 25 cents, type in 1992 and hit enter, and now you see them in this window here. While you are in this window, you can click on any of the items listed and they'll be shown in the main window. If you double click or hit the enter key, it will close this window and get you ready to inventory. Another handy feature is the recall last searches. So to do that, we just click on this icon here, and that'll show you all the latest searches that you've done up to a maximum of 8. So if I wanted to recall the 2014 dollars that I searched for recently, just click there, and here they are. If you want to see them with the preview image, just click on show preview image, and then you'll see them all. Now let's do some of the useful preference options that you can set in EzCoin to make your navigation a little easier. To do that, you need to go to the Options menu and select Preferences. There are many preferences available, but I'll just show you some of the most useful ones. In the General tab, which is what we are in now, you can set the checkbox here so that the clear the screen icon will behave like it did in version 1, and that basically will change this from the eraser icon from a control click to just a left click to clear the screen. I find that more useful. Others like it the other way, but it all depends on what you prefer. Another useful preference is to set the system so that hitting the enter key while you are in report views selects that coin and then closes the window and brings it up in the main data entry screen. And we can find that here. And you would just say pressing enter in the report view selects the coin and exits. Now another really handy feature in EzCoin is that it has extensive help built in. While you're in any window in EzCoin, just hit F1 on your keyboard and it will bring up context sensitive help, and you can read it. There's also obviously a full help manual that's built in, that's accessible by going to the help EzCoin PDF manual, and then it'll fire it up so that you can read it or print it out. Another great resource for new users is our website, and you can access the website by going to Help and About, and then just click on the website link, and that'll take you straight to our website. Now, this site we've recently relaunched it. It is a fully indexed and fully searchable site, so you can pretty well find anything that we have on the site here. So let's say, for example, you wanted some information on how to grade your coins. Well, you go to this search icon here on the top of every page on our website and type in grading coins and click search. And now you get a list of all the articles that we've written on how to search coins. So for example, if you wanted to read more on the coin grading system, there's a whole article on that. I'll let you read that at your leisure. You'll find many other training videos on our website. They're all listed, accessible by clicking here on the training videos. If you've not already done so, we encourage you to like us on our Facebook page. Just click on this link here, and it'll take you to our Facebook page. I'll just do that now. And then you would just like us, and you'll get notifications. The other is our YouTube training videos. If you subscribe to our channel here, you'll get notifications whenever we add new videos or news announcements, things of that nature. Now, we'll be preparing more training videos based on your requests, so if you have anything in particular you want described, just let us know. Bye for now.